Time Traveler's Tales, Exploring the Classroom Chronicles. Time Machines of Learning, Unveiling the Classroom Marvels. Jump into a world where learning comes to life with the remarkable inventions that shaped education. Join us as we embark on an adventure through time, exploring the fascinating stories behind the tools that revolutionized classrooms worldwide. Chalkboard/Blackboard, from dusty chalk to colorful masterpieces. Discover how James Pillans, the genius Scottish educator, transformed the ordinary blackboard into a magical canvas. Watch as knowledge unfolds before your eyes, revealing the secrets behind this timeless tool that made learning a work of art. Overhead projector, lights, camera, action. Step into the spotlight with Roger Appledorn's incredible invention, the overhead projector. Experience the wonder of projected images and mesmerizing visuals that brought lessons to life in a whole new way. Get ready for a dazzling show as we explore the golden age of classroom presentations. Microscope. Prepare for a microscopic journey with the legendary Antony van Leeuwenhoek, the original microscope maestro. Venture into the hidden realm of cells, microorganisms, and breathtaking discoveries. Witness the evolution of the microscope, from its humble beginnings to the stunning scientific breakthroughs it unlocked. Globe. Take a spin around the world as we uncover the ancient origins of globes, those mesmerizing spheres that captured the Earth's wonders. Let's travel back to the days of ancient civilizations and unravel the mysteries behind these miniature worlds. Get ready for a globe-trotting adventure like no other. Calculator. From gears and cogs to sleek electronic marvels, let's crunch some numbers with the ingenious minds of calculator inventors. Join the mathematical revolution sparked by Charles Babbage and his difference engine. Witness the birth of pocket-sized wonders that changed the way we compute, paving the path for a world of endless possibilities. Get ready to be enchanted by the stories of these extraordinary inventions that have shaped the way we learn. Each episode will transport you to a different era, revealing the secrets, quirks, and impact of these timeless tools. So, buckle up and subscribe to our channel, where the past meets the present in a whirlwind of educational wonders.